Okay, so when I was driving home from getting the groceries, Gary was stopped over here by the fence, and I stopped. He said, you got a busted pipe. I hear water running, and it's coming out the corner of the garage, and you can see that it's wet there. And so I hope you'll be able to tell. That pipe busted, and there is water. So you can see the dry spot there, and then I'll come this way, and you can see that right before the tractor, there's the dry spot. And it comes around, and you can follow the dirt line. So all this is dry, and all this is underwater. It's about an inch deep here. The pipe is busted here. Thank God.
That ain't good.
No.
You've been doing this for a while.
Yeah, well, I just got the